We live in a strange time. Well, actually, whatever basically speaking, we are going through now, it's more or less the same thing that has happened over the years, but it just changes into different forms. There are times in the world things are up, there are times things are down. There are times in your life and our life things are good, and there are times things are bad. And this has happened to all the people in the ages. Yeah, go back and check it out. I know in America everyone is crying the gas prices are high. The houses prices are high. But weren't the houses prices high a couple of years ago? Then it went down. Well, it come back up again. Then it will go down and it will come back up again. No need to stress and be depressed and be frustrated. That's not Islamic. That's not the Islamic lifestyle. Don't be monkey do, monkey see, monkey do. We hear all the Americans, everybody's only crying. No, Muslims don't do that. Muslims don't do that. We have seen in the lives of prophets hard times. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala designed certain difficulties in the lives of prophets to teach us how to handle situations. How to handle situations. We don't become depressed and frustrated and give up in life. No, we don't do that. We put our trust in Allah. We put our faith in Allah. We continue doing good and doing our best. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes things turn around. And it has happened in the past. Yeah, look at the political aspect. It's all about politics and human beings and lives. And this has always been a situation. Over the years and the times. Different kings, different rulers, different things change. But the world still continues. Muslims put their trust in Allah. We pray our salah, we give our zakat, we fast, we perform hajj. We do what we have to do. And Allah will make what has to happen, happen. That's the policy of a Muslim. Huh? In the time of President Clinton, some of you probably will remember that. People were not happy with his policies. Go check it out. And many Muslims went and blocked vote for President Bush. Then Bush went to war in Iraq. And then many Muslims say, I ain't going to vote for him. And then they went and voted for, who was the guy competing with him? Kerry. Come on, remember the little politics. Yeah. Was it Kerry? You guys remember that? All right. So Muslims went one way and they went another way. Some things you wouldn't like about Clinton and some things you would like about him. And then when Bush came, we were like, oh, we would have been better off with Clinton. Doesn't matter whether Monica is here or there, we still want Clinton. That's how human beings operate. You got one president and prime minister, well, some like certain things, some don't like. And we're frustrated. Oh, things are bad in the country, things are going down. Then Obama comes after Bush. Yeah, some love him, some vote him, and some after like, oh boy, economy, problems, back up. That's how it works. But we don't follow the regular people who don't have Iman. We have something to work with, the Quran, a guideline in life. We have a different kind of tawakkul and trust in Allah. Yes, it is reality. Don't miss the point. It is reality that is happening. The gas prices are high, food prices are high, but it is reality. Then now you have Biden and some are crying, oh boy, inflation, recession. Oh, we would have been better off under Trump administration. That's what human beings are all about. That's what politics is all about. And then tomorrow somebody else come and the prices go back down and we're all happy. Go through all your countries, whether it's Bangladesh, Pakistan, or wherever in the world, different politicians change, different times, people are happy, people not happy. But we are supposed to be consistent on the path with Islam. Muslims don't give up. Muslims don't lose hope. That's why we learn these lessons in the lives of prophets, Anbiya alayhi salatu wasalam, in the Quran. A lot of problems in the world. Oh, remember COVID? Last year, restaurants' doors were closed, isn't it? Now what is happening? Restaurants are overfilled. Airplanes were few passengers on the plane. Some people told me there were just 3 and 4 people on an entire airplane. Now you can't get seats on the airplane. Tickets were very cheap. Now tickets are high. So why don't you happy and say, yeah, boy, it was cheap last year. Now you're crying it's too high. Listen, this is what life is all about. You know, I'm just fed up of hearing people think negative. Everybody's negative. No. This is just maybe a market for the capitalists, the well-to-do people who are just investors. They got so much, they don't know what to do with it. They look for times like this so they can buy, they can invest. So it works. And then there will be a time when the poor man can buy. And then they will lose. That's how it works. Don't be ungrateful to Allah. Innal insana li rabbihi lakhanud. Allah says that human beings are ungrateful to Allah. Remember the good times. Right? Last year, restaurant doors were closed. Yeah, airports, no traveling. Now it's just booked flights. That's how it works. Similarly, when we look in